West Virginia Governor Jim Justice announced a plan Wednesday to expedite repairs and maintenance work to secondary roads across the Mountain State.
The simple fact is the state was absolutely starving to death, dying. That's all there is to it. You couldn't go fix roads. I told the people of this state that we were going to fix the damn roads. That's exactly what I told them. And I haven't changed my philosophy in any way, shape, form, or fashion.
The plan includes hiring temporary DOH workers and purchasing necessary equipment for those crews to get the job done.
We'll begin a spring and summer statewide paving and resurfacing program. This will be a combination of contracted work and work done by DOH crews using their own equipment.
Governor Justice said that all planned Roads to Prosperity projects will still be completed, but the DOH may look to rebid certain projects that come in over estimate. State officials will analyze every dollar coming in and out of the Division of Highways to find the most fiscally responsible way to fund all the necessary secondary road work.
It's not going to be one or the other. And again, I said early on, I'm not a highways expert, but absolutely, we're going to find a way.
Also, the governor announced that he intends to name Byrd White as acting Secretary of Transportation.